Good afternoon, everyone. We're going to be making some yuca today. I have a cup of water and a pack of the yuca, and this is what it looks like. I put the water in there, which is a cup, and I also put a little bit of garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And if you want to put a little bit of oil, you can. And we're going to preset it. Okay, we got our pressure cooker set for 10 minutes. And we're going to start it right now. It's been 10 minutes and it looks really good. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to add the half a jar of garlic, a half an onion cut up, and a half of the olive oil, as you can see right there. I pushed the pressure cooker to brown. As you can see, it's browning. I put the oil already in there. So I'm going to add the onions, and then I'm going to add the garlic, which I can't do it with two hands. So I'll show you what it looks like as I'm almost done. Okay, I added the garlic with the onions, and I have the olive oil boiling, as you can see. I would wait until the onions are fully cooked, and that's how you know it's done. I would say about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it brown a little bit. Let the onions saute. So I give it like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it looks like it's done. I'm going to take it out and put it on a plate so you can see how it looks. The onions are already sauteed, so they're pretty much ready to go. It took about 5 minutes. I figured 5 minutes on the setting browning. You could do this all in one meal, one pot, one meal. So it looks pretty good so far. Let me put it on a plate so you can see what it looks like. Okay, the yuca and garlic and onions are done. It looks pretty good and it tastes good because I tried a piece. It's really good. So, like I said, in less than 20 minutes, you can have a good meal, one pot. And it's fast and easy. I'll post the pictures of the back of the package of the yuca and the ingredients that I put in there. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll be cooking some more recipes. Have a beautiful day.